The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. The enemy has conducted no offensive operations at Kupiansk direction. Russian artillery neutralized the fire on positions of the armed forces of Ukraine at distant approaches in order to prevent attacks at Russian positions. Up to 50 Ukrainian personnel, 2 tanks, 5 armored combat vehicles, 3 motor vehicles, as well as 1 field munitions depot have been eliminated by artillery fire near Berestovoye in Kharkov region. Redeployment of Ukrainian company tactical group across the Oskol River has been frustrated near Dvorechnoye in Kharkov region. Attack launched by Army aviation and Russian artillery has resulted in the elimination of over 30 Ukrainian personnel, 4 armored vehicles and 2 pickups. The armed forces of Ukraine made attempts to conduct reconnaissance by fire near Sergeyevka and Makeyevka in Lugansk People's Republic, Novosadovoye and Torskoye in Donetsk People's Republic. The involved units were driven back to their initial positions as a result of a fire attack. Up to 60 Ukrainian personnel, 2 armored combat vehicles and 7 pickups have been eliminated. In total, 323 airplanes and 161 helicopters, 2,236 unmanned aerial vehicles, 380 air defense missile systems, 5,792 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 869 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,475 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 6,580 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation.